guys doing today? Today I'm bringing you a fall look. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, please ignore what's on my lip. I'm currently have a cold, a head cold. I've been trying to fight it, and yeah, I was down for a few days, had a fever, so it just popped into my lip and decided to like peekaboo. Here's this fever blister for you. And yeah, but that was not gonna stop me from filming for you guys because I love you so much. So yeah, if you're new, hey too, my name is Liz and welcome to my channel. Do not forget to give me thumbs up, that helps me a lot. Subscribe before you exit, and yeah, write a comment. You guys know I love reading your comments and replying to them. So yeah, so let's get into this look. I don't want it to be too long. If it gets too long, you guys know I'll fast forward it. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go. And like I said, I'm gonna do a fall makeup, my first fall for 2018. Put my ears. And yeah, and let's go on with this. Let me put a tape. Do not mind if you hear noise. I have my window is open. I have the fan going on. You're gonna hear a fan because it's the lights around me are melting. So yeah, so bear with that for a second, please. And I'm gonna go ahead with my tape. Everything's gonna be listed on the description box below. I have foundation on, moisturizer, primer, eyes are set, eyes are on. So but check, remember to always check the description box because everything is listed there. Also my social media is all listed there as well. So let's go in. I'm gonna go in with the palette from KLARA Cosmetics, the MARRAKECH. I'm gonna go in with this palette, and has the mirror, of course, beautiful. And this is the colors. Beautiful colors. I'm gonna go with this, and yeah, I'm gonna be setting my whole eye, even though it's my eyes are already set, but I'm gonna go with this shade right here all over the lid and in my crease as well. And this is the look I came up with for my first fall eye look. Let me know if you have any looks in mind for me to create, and I'll create them for you guys. And yeah, until my next video, love you guys so much. A lot of hugs going your way, a lot of kisses, a lot of kisses going your way. Head up at all times. If you're going through something, it will pass, I assure you of that. Stay strong, stay kind, stay positive, and yeah, love you guys a lot. Mwah.